Hi, I'm Anuja and I'll be using BeatO Glucometer today. This can be easily used at home and can be connected to your BeatO app. Then I must say another very important feature about this product is that other than just giving you your readings on your mobile, it also gives you a lot of handy information which will really be very useful to you. Now let me show you what's inside this box. That's your glucometer. Well, if you see, it is actually very light and handy and can be conveniently connected to your audio port. This is your user manual. On one side, it shows you how to use the glucometer with the app, and on the other side, it shows you how to use the lancing device. These are glucose test strips. You get 10 or 20 depending upon the pack that you have ordered. Let me show you this. These are individually, neatly and very hygienically packed and have a long shelf life too. This is your lancing device used to take your blood sample. You also get these lancets which are free included in your pack. Let me see what's inside more. That's a waterproof travel pouch and you can easily carry your glucometer inside this. Let me show you how. Oh, this is very nice, and ladies, I'm sure this can easily fit into your purses, and men in your shirt pockets. This comes really handy. Also, if you have any trouble, you can contact on the number mentioned here. In order to download the app, go on the Play Store. You can simply write BeatO here. Here is your app. You can install it from here. Since the app is installed, so we can open it. It shows you a couple of features: monitoring, diabetes educator support, BeatO Healthy Shop. Let's get started. Continue with your number. Log in with your OTP. Once you receive the OTP, it will automatically fill it in and take you to the home page. We need audio permission to make your glucometer work. Get started. Allow BeatO to record audio. So we can allow here. Now you are ready to take your first sugar reading. To check your sugar readings, you need your phone with your app installed, glucometer, a lancing pen, a strip and a lancet. To take your blood sample, you will first need to set your lancing pen. Twist open the lancing device from here. Insert the lancet till you hear a click sound. Now pull the cap. These are your puncture depth settings. If you have thick or hard skin, choose a setting of 4 or 5. If you have soft or thin skin, choose a setting of 2 or 3. I have chosen a puncture depth setting of 3 for myself. Make sure the trigger button has turned red, and if it has not, then pull the sliding barrel like this and you are ready. Now let's take our test. Open the BeatO app and press on Take Your Next Reading. Hold the glucometer like this and insert it in the audio port till you hear a click sound. You will see the screen change. It asks you now to insert the strip. Take your strip and insert it in the strip port. Make sure you follow the direction of the arrows. Now the screen will change again and it will ask you to apply blood. You must apply the blood on the edge of the strip like this. Now take your lancing pen and put it on your fingertip and press the trigger button to take your blood sample. Now wait for 10 seconds for your results to appear on the screen. You can see your result now. If the circle is green, it means your levels are normal. If it's red, it means it's high. If it's yellow, it means it's low. You can also choose your reading type from here, whether it's fasting, post-lunch, depending on when you have to take your reading. When you press the sync button, the screen will appear. You can share your readings with your family or doctor. Like you saw, it's really easy to monitor with BeatO Smart Glucometer. There are other useful features like it saves all your readings automatically on the app, which are very neatly organized. Neither do I have to look for them anywhere, nor do I have to write them down. It's right there on the app. If your readings are out of range, BeatO diabetes specialist will call you up, or you can consult the doctor via the app. Well, another added advantage of BeatO Smart Glucometer is that I come to know my trend. and I also come to know what I'm doing is right or wrong. Last but not the least, I really love their shop on the app. I can order my medicines and my strips anytime that I want to. I also like their wide range of diabetes-friendly foods. I am simply in love with their baked khakras and their organic tea, which I keep handy all the time with me. So I hope this video helped you all. The Glucometer and the app really helped me to manage my diabetes with ease with their tools and support. Thanks for watching.